שקלים פרק ז' משנה ה', ביאור משנה ה'. לאחר שלמדנו במשנה הקודמת, so in the previous Mishnah, last time we learned, שהבוצע בהמה קרוב לירושלים. What happens if you find an animal which is close to Yerushalayim? So we said if it's next to Pesach, you assume that it's a Pesach sacrifice. But if it's not next to Pesach, if it's 2 years old, it's Olah. If it's 1 year old, it's for whatever it is. הרי בחזקת קורבן. You have to assume it's a korban, it's a sacrifice that ran away because the majority of animals in Yerushalayim are sacrifices. Like we said, because people give the money to the people who live in Yerushalayim. It says, I need to bring in the sacrifice. Throughout the year, when instead of just eating meat, bring in the sacrifice and eat the meat also.
Probably most of the people would go with the sheep there. They have a sheep.
Yeah, or they will buy it in the market, whatever the thing is. Yeah. כמו שביארנו שמה. So בא משנתנו ללמד, so המשנה comes to teach, בעניין מנחת הנסכים, שיש להבין עם אותו קורבן שנמצא. Here comes the problem though. What's the problem? That the korban doesn't come on his own. It has wheat offering, it has wine offering, it has oil offering. So that comes out of your pocket. So now that you bring it, it's true that you can eat it. It's true that you can eat it, but still you have to bring extra money. So I don't have extra money right now to give for a wheat offering and wine offering and this. I'm not interested in that. So what happened? Let's see.
But you have to bring the korban.
You have to bring the korban to the...
That's what it looks like. If you found a sheep, you have to bring it to the mizbeach.
It's a korban. It's a korban. It belongs to the temple.
You have to bring it. You found it.
Yeah, you can eat it, but...
So now you have to add money for the
that's exactly the problem. So barishona, so in the beginning, somebody used to bring a korban. היו ממשכנים את מוצאיה. So the person who brought it says, you brought the sacrifice, you brought the goat. Okay, so now bring me also another $50 or $20, whatever it is, for the wine offering and the wheat offering and that goes together with it. מי שמצא בהמה בירושלים, anybody who found an animal in Yerushalayim, or סמוך לה, even if you're not going to eat it, let's say you just want to give it to the temple, it says, yeah, but you have to bring it together with somebody. It's a korban, bring the other things that goes with it. היו בית דין ממשכנים אותו. In other words, the בית דין used to take the money from his house. For what? For the extra sacrifices. עד שהוא מביא נסחיה. So it says, we're going to, you can eat it, but maybe you want it next week, maybe you want it to eat it, you don't need it now. Next week, you have a wedding, you need it for next week. It says, but give us money. So as soon as you bring in the animal, they says, give us money, give me $50, we'll buy with this $50 the nesachim for it. עד שהוא מביא נסחיה. Until he brings them the nesachim, or the money, whatever it is. עד שם...
משכנים את הבהמה.
I think משכנים is money. Give me something from your household.
איך אתה יכול למשכן money? money זה לא משכון. משכון זה במקום.
I'm going to put a lien on your goat at home. They're going to put a lien on your house. Or they're going to put a lien on your tractor. They're going to put a lien. They used to put a lien on your property.
I see.
On something that you own. Until you bring the temple, the nesachim. Once you bring the nesachim, the lien goes away.
Okay.
עד שהוא מביא נסחיה, until he brings the נסחים, until he brings the wheat offering, the wine offering, whatever it is. עד שהמוצא מביא את הנסחים הראויים לאותו קורבן שמצא, until he brings the wheat offering, the wine offering, the oil offering for that sacrifice that he found. כמו שביארנו לעיל, like we explained above. So what happened? So people stopped bringing animals back to the temple. It says, what you're going to do? Exactly. חזרו להיות מניחים אותה ובורחים. So the people left the animals like this. כיוון שראו הבריות שהטיפו בה בהמה העובדת מביאם לידי הפסד ממון. It says, I'm doing a mitzvah and now they're coming into my, taking money away. Come on, I don't want it. היו מניחים את הבהמה, אבל חילם. It says, there's an animal over there. Let it be. And meanwhile, it's an animal that's supposed to go to the temple walking around, like in India, looking at a holy animal walking around. You can't have it. Now, you can't touch it, just like in India. Notice, it's exactly like in here. You're not allowed to touch it. It's a korban. It's a sacrifice. It belongs to the temple. Not allowed to eat it. Not allowed to do anything. It exactly comes from us, you can see. Yeah? Not allowed to, it's a holy cow. This is what's called the holy cow. שלא רצו לטפל בה, says, but now we're going to take the holy cow to the temple? They're going to ask money from us. We're not interested in it. כדי שלא יתחייבו בנסחיה. So what happened? התקינו בית דין, so בית דין made a takana, made a decree, שיהיו נסחיה באין משל ציבור. They told them, you know what? We're going to use communal funds to sponsor the extra נסחים. היינו מתרומת הלשכה. We're going to use, even though it's not supposed to be used from that, we're going to, on our mind, we take it from communal funds.